Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up, Instagram? Where's my YouTubers at? Questions, stickers, someone in the comment box, guys. We'll start in just under 2 minutes. You know the drill. We will see what trades are available today to us. Good morning, good morning. There's my YouTubers. What's up, guys? All right, guys, we'll start in, I don't know, like 45 seconds here. Looking at the clock. Remember, you can go to my profile, click the 3 dots, tell it you want to get my live alerts immediately. Some people don't have that setting on. So sometimes you get the alerts, sometimes you don't. Meta doesn't like me in general, that's fine. So, Blaine, Shelby. Here's Heart of Fatherhood. I always say that wrong. Jaron, what's up, guys? Yeah, Evie, man, it was crazy. We had tornadoes in the area last night. A bunch of people around us don't have power, but magically I have power and internet. I was worried about being down. Put a lot of money into setting up generator operation connected to the house or anything like that 2 days ago. All right, guys, let's get started. Good morning. Happy Friday, March 27th, our last Friday of March. Options or futures expiration for J contracts. Most have rolled over to M. We'll talk about that in the war room. Data today, the only thing we have critical that we know is 10 a.m. Consumer sentiment. Of course, consumer sentiment is not going to be good, probably. And then any Trump tweet going into the weekend will move the market. My guess is that he gave the 5-day moratorium and all the bullshit to, I think he's going to land troops this weekend. I don't think it's going to be good. I don't know. Tough environment to trade in, guys. If you're cutting your teeth in this environment and making money like we are in the war room, then in a normal environment, you'll make massive amounts of money. So let's look at the oscillators real quick. Let's look at the NYMO. Is at negative 26. The NAMO is at negative 16. We have plenty of room to both the upside and the downside. Let's look at ES. I'm going to try to fly through this, guys. Listen, it's our final free Friday war room. So our community is growing, doing well. We have people killing it in there. And today's the last free day. So if you're going to come in for a free day, today's the day you want to do it. Join my free Discord. Link is in the announcements. After this, you're going to have to pay to do or you have to do the free trial. So, all right. I mean, I think we did 6 or 8 free Fridays. If that wasn't enough for you, then I don't know. I don't know what I can do for you. So let's look at ES. We are short bias on everything indices. Short bias, we do have the 6,500 box support zone just hanging on by a thread. Now, this happened to us yesterday, was doing the same thing, and it finally broke midday for a great sell for 100 points, right? And look at that crazy wick on everything. There's your Donald Trump tweet. Does Donald Trump affect the markets? Yeah, what do you fucking think? That is a 5-minute, 100-point candle. So our next read would be a short of 6,500, right around there. Excuse me. We'll call it live in the war room. Actually, let me switch over to this one. The Russell 2000 short bias below the white line. When you come to the war room, we have this all laid out. If you put the matrix on your charts, it even does it for you. We're short on the top side of the box. We do have bottom side of the box support. So we don't want to get price trapped in here. We'll see how markets open. But our next short opportunity is actually this at 24.92. If we get a VWAP test and rejection, that might be a signal. right? We are in a mean reversion box, so we will see. If you have questions or tickers, throw them in the comment box. The NASDAQ is, we have broken the box. We have plenty of room to the downside. Come on. There we go. So next support zone is 23,000. Your next short opportunity is 23,640. We are short bias below the box. So, of course, a VWAP test or box test should give us a new short. Unless Donald Trump says something like, hey, we're going to give him a month break. Then you're going to watch the markets run. Right? So we'll see. YM, Dow Jones, same thing. It is in a support box right now at 46,000 and declining. Your next, we just had a short here. Tough to take those shorts in that box. We're well below bias. So on RTY, ES, and YM, you got to watch and make sure the bottom half of this psychological zone doesn't hold on your trade. You want it to break and then reconfirm. We explain all this in our War Room, guys. Free Friday War Room, link in the bio. Go to the free Discord. Zoom link is in the announcements. All right. Gold. Flying through this, guys, because I'm going to get out of here a couple minutes early. Like I said, we just switched to, look in the background, M contracts. J is still active today, but M, the front month, has more volume now. So we are at bias. We're using the VWAP as bias. The next buy will be, we are close, right? So we're really close here. To confirm that bias, we want to look at the hourly, and you can see there's still spread. So price is above bias, but it is non-confirmed, so you can take a short of that VWAP and 5-minute cross. So this is how tight it is. That is your short, and that is your potential long. We will walk our traders through it live in the War Room. And of course, if you're running the matrix on your charts, as you should, right? You notice that there are no matrix signals on this. None. Like you would see right here. Primary read short. That paid the 10. Well, there's no other signals. Why is it not working? No. It's because it is a supercomputer built off of my brain, and there isn't enough confluence to take the reads. We've had multiple traders. You can see them be posted in my Discord. They've invested $89 on the matrix system, and they've made $2,600, $5,000. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So anyway, let's look at oil real quick. I don't give a shit about silver. We're not going to look at silver. Oil, WTI, the underlier. This is things I want to point out. We are long bias intraday. This gray box represents the gap from the oil shock, but the white, so that is the tight range. The wider range I've talked about. Look at this, 84, exactly hit that Monday. Nope, I'm sorry here, Instagram. And then 100. Buy 84, sell 100. Buy 84, sell 100. Pretty simple. All right, let's get to your questions, because like I said, I'm going to try to get out of here a few minutes early because it is free Friday War Room. What you guys got for me? And if I don't get to your questions, you're welcome to go to my free Discord, tag me in a question, give you a chart, and we will check it out for you guys. All right. And YouTube, what do you got? What am I thinking about buying and holding all over the weekend? Not a fucking thing. Flip a coin. That's what you buy and hold. Long or short. It's too fucking hard. With this jackass of a president's tweets, you can't trust nothing. So there are some swings that I would take in a technical environment, but I don't trust this idiot blowing up my trade plan. So I will hold nothing over the weekend. Look at Dow again. Oh, you saw it. Okay. Yep. Imagine. Yeah, I mean, guaranteed that his sons are buying and selling positions prior to him saying something. On what asset does the Matrix version 2 work best? I know it works on everything on a chart, but I use it on CFDs and futures. I mean, leverage products, man. That's where you make your money. Leverage products. That's where you make your money. On dude, version 2 of the Matrix is absolutely ridiculous. Version 1 was great. The difference between the two is version 1, we expected, it gave the traders the information. We expected traders to have some discernment about disqualification. Some people struggled with that. It still worked well. But I paid my administrator to throw in all my disqualifications, so the signals are just stupid. Okay, Instagram, what you got? Scroll back here. It's good to see a lot of folks on this morning. Hopefully you're ready to have a good weekend. Yeah, Evie, the universe said we must run a Friday war room. Gold, we did gold. And look, guys, on rollover, that is not, so XAU USD is at 27, so it's 28 points difference. Futures is 28 points higher. So just do the math now. There you go. So we're actually getting a short read potentially coming in here, guys. Look, Matrix is calling declining momentum. My traders, you know what to look for here. Keep an eye on that. That might be worth 10. Might happen before we get in the war room. What about crypto? My Matrix works on crypto charts. But let's see. Which crypto do you want to know? I mean, there's only 1,000 of them, 100,000 of them. How many are there? Tell about silver. What do you want to know about silver? Silver is garbage to trade. The only thing you should be doing with silver is physical silver. But I'll tell you about silver. There we go. All right. You're technically short bias. Below 68. Downside support 64, then 54. Upside resistance is 71 and definitely the all-time high. It looks like right there, 80. Yeah. Buy the dips in silver and physical silver if you can get the price. I don't day trade this anymore, and I've traded thousands of contracts with it. I don't trust CME. I don't trust CME. I don't like how they raise the margin and the manipulation, and it's too volatile. So, I mean, that's why we trade a number of assets, guys. When assets shit, we trade the other assets. And right now, silver is shit. It's garbage. Should you buy Solana? I don't know. Let's look at it. You know, all these, look at this. $83 from, holy shit, look at this epic fall in the crypto garbage world, right? Like, Bitcoin's not going to return to its all-time high. It dropped 185%. That's crazy. I mean, if you like the thesis, man, you're going to have to buy and hold that. So you look at how big when was the last time it touched this price? January 24. So you're getting a 15-month discount if you like it, right? So there's not a technical buy there. It's a fundamental buy if you like it. Good luck, my friend. Yep, Nav, watch that primary read. Yeah. All my traders, you know that short in gold. I mean, look at that. Declining momentum. You're about probably another 5 to 10 minutes out on the read, though, guys. So it's going to run us right into Bell. You could do B setup off that VWAP. So B setup would be, whoops. Where's the VWAP? Right there. Yeah, it's tough. Could take a partial there and then add to it, but I don't know. I would wait for the full primary, see what Bell does. All right, guys, listen. Look for my weekend update at Student Alpha on YouTube. Go follow it. I go over a ton of things on the weekend update. And then if you look at the description, because in the description it's listed like at what time frame. If you don't want to hear me ramble about all the different instruments, and you want to know about XYZ, it tells you like where it's at, a timestamp. So anyway, so look for that to come out. Today's free War Room Friday. Go to my free Discord. It's in the announcements channel. It's our last one. We've done a lot of free for the. Look at gold. Remember, I just said I wouldn't take the B setup. I didn't like it. So, anyhow, the goal of Free Friday is for you to just get a taste, so you'll go, yeah, I'll do the 7-day free trial. But let me clarify something. We don't expect you to be profitable. We don't expect you to be knowledgeable in 7 days. You come in to see if the leadership, education, and pace is something that you think you can handle. But you'll see all the traders have been in there for a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 years, 7 years. They stay, right? There's no war room like it. What's the difference between fundamental and technical buy? Fundamental is when you're buying based on information or thesis. Like, as an example, Warren Buffett buys great companies at suppressed prices, knowing that they're great companies and will rebound. Technical buy is actually when we're looking for exact technical signals. And that Solana was so price suppressed, it would have to rise quite a bit to actually give me a buy signal. That's a good question, Alex. All right. So if I didn't answer your question, go to my free Discord, tag me in it. I'm going to head out a little early so I can get everybody in that war room. Come join me, guys. It's free. I mean, if free's too expensive, then I don't know what to tell you. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Stay safe.